Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's another hair review, but this one you're going to want to see. So I'm going to be using the ORS Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray to hold down my wig cap today. And I just want to try something different to use. I usually use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, but I'm going to use this. Now, child, let me tell you. Today's wig, I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all know I just messed up. It's Easter weekend. I'm trying to get out the house, me and my son. So this wig today, I just know my edges are gone. I just know I messed up. This was just like my worst install ever. Okay, I don't know what I was doing. I was just in a rush, okay? So as you can see right here, I'm putting on the ball cap method. I put it over my eyes. I don't know what I was doing, but I was trying to make my wig cap lay straight, and I still failed at that, okay? So couldn't see. I don't know how people be wearing this daggone wig cap over their eyes. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I was scared I was gonna sit here and cut myself in the eye, in the ear, or whatever. Couldn't barely see. I had two mirrors to look at, and I couldn't see it. As you can see in the background, that's my baby. He's back there doing stuff he's supposed to do. Opening my closet, you could just see all my business in the back. But yes, that's what he's doing. But I'm just doing my ball cap method as per usual and just putting it on. Hopefully I cover my edges so when I take it off, you can see, like a normal ball cap method. Yes, I have on my grandma pajamas, okay? Because it's Easter weekend, I'm comfortable in my house, and I'm 30. I feel like a grandma, so I'm just wearing my pajamas. So yeah, that's me, putting on my ball cap methods with my grandma pajamas on and my child acting up in the background. Just a normal Sunday for us, okay? So yeah, let's get into this install. But let me tell you again, PSA, FYI, this, I know I messed up in this install. It just looks a hot mess. I was just sad and just crying, just upset because I just know when I take this wig off, my edges are gonna be gone again. I didn't try so hard to grow these edges back, but they are gone now because I just messed up. Just whatever. But y'all enjoy the video. Okay, guys, this is why I just know and knew that I messed up and put my ball cap method. All that spray putting on, and it still didn't cover my hairline. And that glue gonna be touching my hairline. Okay. So yeah, this is where I was just like, sure, you should have just stopped, put some water on, take that ball, take the stocking off, try again. But no, my dumb tail just had to put glue on there, and as you can see, my hair is showing. So I know when this wig come off, them edges are gonna be gone. Okay, so let me stop. Yeah, go back to the video. about the end of the day, and I didn't finish recording after put my wig on because we did have some work to go after. So this is the end of the day. It's about 10 p.m. And I was doing my hair. I started my hair around like 9 o'clock this morning. And now it's about 10 p.m. So I done been through a whole day. My makeup is kind of shiny, so eyelashes falling off. It's about 10 p.m. So I said, let me record my video, what my hair looked like after I put it on. So today, this morning, I was in a rush because I was already braided. We're doing a ball cap and trying to put it on. Like, it was just a long process. And this morning, I just was, I messed up. And so luckily, I just went around family. So I wasn't really tripping about what my hair looks like. But as you can see, my hairline is not like on straight. And then I didn't notice until after. You can see on the video, like, I was trying to like pull it down. But I really wanted my wig to be this far back. But I had this one up there and it was already up there. So I didn't want to take it off. But so as you can see, like, it's like slanted. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is just take some baby hair. 'Cause I'm gonna keep this wig in for like a week. I did 2 layers. Yeah. And I'm gonna just make it kind of match to this side. So yeah, that's some of what I messed up at. And then like putting on the glue. So no, when I put my skin protectant on, the directions say he use a towel. So you have to use a towel and then put the skin protectant on. But my slow self, I sprayed it on my hair, like my forehead and cap, because I see somebody else do it. I used Boho Liquid Gold, but today I was like, let me try the olive oil castor oil spray. Let me try to see how that works. So I tried it. It's kind of like the Gots to Be, so I just use olive oil. But when I used the skin protectant spray, as I sprayed it, my wig cap lifted. So that's when it was just shifting on this side and I was trying to pull it back. So yeah. Also I did put my hair on flexi rise on the wig and then I put it on my hair. But let me tell you while we're here. I got this hair from Siyun Show hair, and I don't know if I did or I didn't do a video or probably working on it. But anyway, this is Siyun Show hair. This is the body weight. This is the 22 inches. So I am 5'1". So the 22 inches come like below my chest when it's straightened out, but I flexi ride it. This is some really gorgeous hair. Like I say, I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own coins. Own coins. Only thing I don't like about when me and I wear a wig, it's just like you can tell this is a wig. So I guess that's why people wear like baby hairs. Like, but it's just like, girl, you know that's a wig, like when you see in that line right there. And it just really be bothering me. So and I think that's why I'm like looking. I'm just looking at this line because I know y'all looking at me while talking. Y'all focus on this line right here because I'm focused on it too. Okay, but anyways, so I bought this wig with my own money. 22 inches body wave, and when I say they respond back to me quickly, hey, did you get your package? It's on the way. It's here. Great customer service, and I know people say don't buy hair from AliExpress, but I'm like, okay, it's cheap. I mean, this is good quality hair. So no, second wig from Side Show Hair, and I love the first wig. I dyed it black. It really did really good. So and then I got this. I haven't dyed it. This is just the natural color. I put the flexi rods in here and I sprayed my hair with this Aussie more hairspray, mega hairspray. I didn't want very hard curls, so that's why I was looking for something not very hard. It says flexible hold, and that's what I was looking for. I didn't want that stiff kind of hold. And to hold it on the flexi, I used some foam wrap. I used the whole bottle, but I used the Cream of Nature Style and Shine foam and mousse. Sometimes I use the Lotta Body, but I ran out of Lotta Body and I had this left, so I used that. So these are the products I use on my hair. This curl is like really pretty how it looks. When the curl is just, put in my bonnet without curling again. But I really think this is just like fuzzy from today. But if you look on this side, that's my good side right now. If you look at the curls, like it really did really good on the flexi rod. This is 180 density. Only thing about, if you don't got the thick, it's like once you get to the ends, like it's not thick, but like the top is like really good. So I really love this hair. It looks really good. So it's really pretty. So yeah, I really think what motivates me is with doing these videos. I think I get better and better when I do my wigs, because at first when I was putting them on, I looked a hot mess, and then now while putting them on, like they getting better and better. I mean, I still got some work to do. I still got to work my baby hairs. So yeah, still got lots of work to do, but I mean, I see progress. And as I say, I'm here to tell the truth about things. So like Siyun Show hair, if you're looking for some good quality hair, you don't want to spend like $500-$600. If you're looking for somebody that probably bought their wigs from somewhere, you just go ahead and go to the source. Go to them. I mean, the hair is really good. Like I always wash my wigs before I put them on. I mean, that's just something I do. But I'm gonna put the link below. And this has been a relaxation to like sit here and like just like try out styles and like do my hair. Like, okay, like come through, wig, come through with your slanted baby, with your messed up baby hair and your slanted hairline. Like, come through right now. So yes, I mean, I'm feeling it. And what I got on my face today, I have on the Fenty Beauty eyelashes. Look at a hot mess. Gonna take it. Oh Lord, I didn't mean to take them off, but go ahead and take them off. But so this is like what it looks like. So one of the days I'm just not gonna do a part. I'm just like do like Siyun Show hair. This is so beautiful. Just look at that. Okay. I'm going to look at a video to see like how to cut layers, and that's like my next thing I want to know how to do is like cut layers. So that is just my next project that I want to learn how to do is cut layers. So that's something I'm going to be looking for in the video to learn how to do. So like hopefully that's something that, yeah. And then also I ordered the what I'm holding my hair down with is the Ericka J Hold Me Down Watermelon glue one laid, and I have the Ericka J laid off adhesive remover. So I have these two. So yeah, but I mixed it. So I had the bow hold skin protectant. I had the Ericka J hold me down adhesive, and then I got the Ericka J laid off adhesive remover. So once I remove my wig, I am going to be using this and follow the instructions to remove the wig. So if you're wondering what that loud background is, the noise, my son just came in the room. It's late and he's still up, okay? But it's Easter weekend, so yeah. I like the glue, but as I said before, I'm very hesitant about using glue because it did take out my hair before. I didn't use the Ericka J glue, but I used another. I want to say the Isha, whatever. I used the Isha glue, And I had the Isha remover too, but I don't know, like, as I was taking it off, it wasn't mean as I was taking it off. It was more so when I washed my hair, I was just like, the hairline was just gone. And yeah, and that was kind of my hesitant about using glue. So I've been using, my main go-to to put on a wig is the boho liquid gold. Like, that's my go-to that I use to put on my hair. And then also I use the Wig Dealer melted spray. That's just been my other great backup as a glueless wig to be wearing too. So I go between the boho liquid gold and the Wig Dealer melted spray. So those two are my main two to really use. But I just said I want to try glue and just see how to put it on, like, to see like how it works and stuff like that. So I mean, I like it, and it say don't put any water on it. So when I take my shower, I'm just gonna make sure my hair is tied up and no water is touching it. But yeah, if you're probably wondering, like, girl, you ain't got no energy. Yeah, it's late, so that's my video today. But you guys, thank you for rocking with me. I know my hairline is looking crazy. My brother said my hairline is looking like a 45-degree angle. So I was like, okay, so I'm not gonna keep this wig on for long. Or if I could try to, like, see if I could remove some parts and then kind of push them back to match, or try to do something to try to get my wig smashed. But yeah, guys, again, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for watching me. For my 23 subscribers, thank you. I hope I get some more. Yeah, just enjoy my journey of product reviews, my journey of learning how to put on wigs, also my journey in life. I'm trying to get on this weight loss journey, but y'all know, every Monday I'm starting on the diet. I'm starting back on my diet, because once that Friday hit, I'm just like, dang, I can't believe I just ate that. I need to start over. And it's a struggle. It's a real struggle out here, okay? So pray for your girl. So, yes, again, thank you guys, and see you next time.